Still vacuuming manually in 2025? That's like using a flip phone. I've tested both the Xiaomi G9 Plus and G20 Lite vacuums for months. Stick around, you'll thank me later. First up, the G9 Plus, the premium beast. 4,000 Pascal suction power that demolished 95% of my golden retriever's fur tornado. This thing maps your room like a GPS ninja with zone cleaning, no-go areas, and actually remembers your settings in the My Home app. 120-minute battery life handles my entire house without breaking a sweat. The navigation is so smart, it avoids my cat's food bowl better than I do at 2 a.m. premium build, premium performance, but your wallet will feel it. Now the G20 Lite, the budget champion, 3,000 Pascal suction handles 85% of household chaos, which is honestly pretty solid for the price. Navigation is more like a determined turtle. It wanders around but eventually gets everywhere. 90-minute battery perfect for apartments and smaller homes. My Home app works, but don't expect it to remember much. Basic features, basic performance, but gets the job done without the premium price tag. Here's my verdict. G9 Plus for premium performance lovers, G20 Lite for budget smart buyers. Team Premium or Team Budget? Which one you are going to choose? Comment below and hit that subscribe button.